Guys, what's up? I'm gonna be showing you how to install these are other I'm gonna start with how to install appcake. So this is very simple. I'll put a link on the description, but I'll just show you the link here. So this is the link. If you wanna copy it or take a snapshot or something, then what you have to do is press install. Press install, and then wow, something is gonna come up saying install. See, there it is. It does take a while. So just want to click install, and that's how you get it. I'm not gonna show you the rest of the video because I want to avoid downloading and all that, but I will do a gameplay later or a review. So thanks for watching this video. I'm just gonna stop.